Okay, these are two of the homemade clamps that I made that I saw on YouTube. This is a bench cam clamp, and I'm just going to throw this in here for now just to get an idea of how much pressure with a bathroom scale. That right there is 105 pounds. Very simple design. Comes apart. It's got a cam in there for the spring-loaded part, and it works very easily. My other one that I made is a homemade bar clamp. Didn't cost that much to make. You can see it right there, and this, instead of a store-bought metal one, this thing here, I can't really measure it, but I'm sure that I can get over 100 pounds of pressure there. Very easy to make. Just drill it, a couple blocks, a couple nuts, and that's it, homemade.